most people, especially when they come to learning about dynamic arrays, they also think, okay, this is all about the new functions. But the reality is this dynamic array behavior is a core update to Excel. So that means anything that you're already doing is already capable of dealing with dynamic arrays. So for example, here I want to write a if condition that says if the amount is negative, then print the word debit, else print the word credit. One way to do this is you can say if is less than 0, like this. And then you'll get the answer here. This kind of an if formula, again, you would have done this hundreds of times, if not thousands. And then you can drag this down. But we know that this formula needs to act on this entire range. So another way to capitalize on this dynamic array behavior is we can say if select this entire range and then write the condition in one go. If that entire range is greater than 0, like that. Now, because that if condition needs to happen at individual items, it sees that, oh, this if is gonna return a whole bunch of debit and credit words. I'm gonna spill it down. And then when you hit enter, you will get the answers for the whole thing in one go. So even the older functions like if or sum ifs or anything, VLOOKUP, index, match, all of those things that you have been doing, they're all capable of now dealing with this dynamic array functionality.